Okay guys, so I'm going to show you 2 ways to turn off your Vizio TV without your remote. So the first way with your phone, just get the Vizio app. So in the top corner, press the button to turn on or back off. So the second way is all these TVs should have a button on it. For some it's at the bottom, for some it may be on the back. Just go and press it. To turn it off, just press the button. So if you do nothing for 3 seconds, it should automatically turn off. You can also hold the button for 3 seconds to turn off. If you're interested in replacing the remote, I'll link below. Okay guys, thanks for watching.